40%. And that's on the high end. Generally, it's anywhere between, 20 and 30, somewhere around there. Where Bob, you shaking your head right there.
I was going to say 25% if you had to, ask me to quote a number.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't know this, Preston, but one of FinStream's new projects, we used AI and we built it's called the AI Wealth Planner. So you can build your own financial plan for free on our website. And our hope is that everybody that's an adult that has a checking account and gets a check in the mail every once in a while or into their account goes through this exercise and builds themselves a plan. And then they've got something that they can work off of, and hopefully they even go and talk to a professional, sit down with, a certified financial planner or somebody that can give them some feedback on this plan and have a roadmap to get to those goals that you were talking about, to make sure that they figure out what it is that they want their life to be like and the things that they want, and whether it's, doing things for their kids or doing things for themselves as they get older, going on those vacations, not just paying credit card debt every month.
Wow. Now that's a tool that's going to help, man, so many people.
We'll send it to you.
Access.
You can play around with it and let us know what you think.
I'll do that for sure.
We just pushed it live.
Oh yeah, I got to check that out for sure, because that can help people in my membership program.
Yeah, and it's a get started document, right? It's not going to be a 300-page financial plan. It's like easy enough and exit, and something that gives you goals and targets, But
okay, yeah, I'll check that out, because that could help people in my membership program. Now that it's going to launch, it can really be a partner.
Yeah.